That way.
Long story short, we ran past each other in the opposite hallways.
Yep.
Whoa! Whoa!
Hit your gun?
Yeah. Oh, my sight protect, my thingy's still there. Jesus. I don't know where that came from.
Oh, good shot.
Oh! Oh, oh man. One down. Oh. Oh. Yeah, like you just
Fucking domed me.
yeah, like yeah, you got me like right, just skirted the thigh.
Walking out. What was this? Walking out.
Oh, I was going after Brent.
Hit. What the fuck did he hit?
Yeah. Oh. Jeez. Whoa!
What a fucking light go on. Alright, watch this.
Go get him, Tiger. Oh! Ow! Right the freaking arm.
One's the left side, on the other side of the building.
Yeah. Oh boy! One of them must be underneath the church or saloon. Sorry. Oh, fuck. Damn. Jesus! Jesus fucking Christ. Oh! Peekaboo tray. Oh, Jesus. Got him. Trace down. Oh boy. Hey, who dropped the mag?
Fucking room, dude.
Oh, just give it to me. I'll find its home.
Do you want me to keep your optic again, or?
Just watch it. There's someone down that way. Yeah, just toss it over here. I'll keep it safe. Yeah. Oh, I know exactly who it goes to anyways. Oh, fuck. Babe. I need to take it. Sorry, friend. Yeah. Oh boy. They're across, and you're standing right where they can see you from both passageways.
I'm doing good. You see this camouflage?
Mm-hmm. I blend in. Doing so well. Yeah, they're probably across from us. Probably that little alcove across from us was also shooting at us.
Are you fucking kidding me?
You're dead. You're out.
No way you pull out another fucking pistol. Oh, the Springer?
Three! You're fucking my balls.
Bro, I'm literally jumping.
I'm using you two as meat shields.
Bro. 1 minute! 1 minute! Come get my Springer! There's no one there.
Because on the outside.
You watch that way, I watch this way. Uh-oh, someone just walked past.
I don't think so.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Is this one of yours?
Yes, did it fall down from both?
Yeah, it came through the ceiling. I'm like,
I went to go pick it up at one point, and I was like, oh, it fell down.
I'm definitely Dude, I saw you and him.
oh, my apologies. That was also me that nailed you in the face when your head barely appeared.
Yeah. Bro,
You know, Trey kept running into me the wrong way.
I know, and I
can't escape the
Try to shoot me. I was just over here.
bouncing back.
I shot my ghillie way down there.
Oh, that wasn't you then. Because someone tried to pop shots at me from over here, but I was looking down this hallway and I was like, who the fuck's trying to shoot at me right now? There's nobody down the hallway and nowhere else.
There was somebody down the
And
hall.
the last person I knew was you.
I don't even.
I actually don't know.
That was a good one. I'm happy with the results of that one.
That one was good. That one was good.
That was a good.
No, it was fine. I was so confused. Dude, I didn't even notice. I was like,
Whew.
I know if I do. I mean, I felt it. Who the fuck?
I thought I shot out my oh shit. It's like, wait, no, I hit my lip.
Came undone. Nothing to the brag.
Yeah, no. Zip tied it to the
What? I was like, wait, is something wrong?
Yeah. Ghillie actually is covered in honey.
Ugh.
Well, I like to be surrounded in. Yeah, I would have kept coming to church side if I had my pistol, but I don't. And I could only go to like that edge of that corner and that's it.
I'm a piece of shit.
Fucking.
Like, yeah, when I got you, I was going for him.
Dude, that shit hurt.
Sorry. I thought I was aiming for the torso.
In the head.
I saw like the leaf on the shoulder and I aimed for that.
You scared the shit out of me when you popped out in the church, and then when we went back up to try to kill you and you were already done, and we were like, fuck, we gotta kill him.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's like, oh, get.
But if you're wondering who shot you when you were in that doorway all the way over here in this corner, that was me.
I mean, I
I was
figured.
like so excited to kill you, and then you were already dead. I was like, oh no.
No, you just kept running into me at the wrong times.
Exactly.
Because I'm like, I got Brent, and then you came around this side. I'm like, I slammed you.
Here, I'm always getting fucked up by you in like dumbass ways. Like you always get the jump on me. Always.
Dude, where's my knee?
Where's your what? Vape.
Need a bottle, yeah. Oh. Jeez. Ah, Jesus.
Will you slide this back on my back, just like up through a molly and clip it?
Sure.
I don't know how that managed to fucking come out. Doesn't matter if it's a little ghetto, just that stays on there. Thank you.
I gotta go wide and deal with the guys up next to Ghost Town. One down. Couple next to the shack. Oh boy. Yeah, we got a ghillie on our right. There. I thought you were dead. Cross over this way. He's out. Another one out. So let's do this push. One more. Okay. That was a lot of work. Oh, jeez. Hey, I got you in the arm.
Did you? Where?
Through the wall.
Oh, I didn't feel it. My bad, dude. I'm cold. You're good.
I'm like, yeah.
He might have hit there. I just moved go, dude. Good shit.
Yeah, no, like I got you when you backed up a bit. Oh, damn.
I don't know if you shot me at the same time, so it's up to you, dude. I'll take it.
I don't know.
Good shit, dude. I heard the footsteps at the last second. I can't hear because above us.
I tripped on something that didn't help me. Oh, fuck. Okay. Somebody else got him. Oh! Whoa! Yeah, now I know why I cracked. Oh! Jesus.
Oh, you guys need some good footage. Emma. Emma. Get that bridge. Come on.
They're behind the berm. Yep. There's only like 3 over here.
Is Center on our team?
No. Him, Josh, and Caleb are all on the other side.
Why even play?
I mean,
They're all the way in the woods.
I know. I can see one right here.
You don't got the range?
Not really, no. Yeah, like right where Anthony just walked past is one of the gillies.
Right off the bat, I got all the way up to the fence and just doinked one, and then I was stuck.
Well, I mean, I went. Yeah, see, you can see like one right there.
That little brush right there?
Like between these 2 trees, and then look at that tree with the angle. Like that's a head right there.
Oh, I see that guy. I thought you were pointing over here.
Nope, that's a head right there.
I see that. You see that thing though? The little brush right in between these 2 trees above the wheel, all the way out.
Probably another one.
Yeah, probably.
Cool.
I don't think anyone's in the building.
Probably no one.
We're talking strats. I'm talking about a strategy right now. Yeah, I was all the way up there already.
I'm like, yeah. I'm like, I don't see anything down below. And there's not many of them either.
Oh, I see the LMG. What range you got on that thing?
I don't even know. Caleb's right there.
I know.
So watch it. And he's shooting at us again. Ow. Oh boy. Ow. Oh. I'm just in the wide open here, so. Man.
Under this one in here? Close?
Right in front of us. That net with the platform above it. Fuck.
The guy below on side, you set. Get up inside.
Get upstairs. Can you actually like see where he is? Oh.